Hey guys, this is Shankar welcoming you on my YouTube channel Study with the Master. Here I am going to teach you English grammar in which we will deal about spotting errors. I have made earlier two videos about spotting errors. This is going to be the third one, so you can watch earlier videos and you can easily understand how to solve the question of spotting errors very easily. कैसी सरलता से स्पॉटिंग एयर्स की क्वेश्चन हल किए जाएं, यू कैन लर्न इट, आप इसे सीख सकते हैं. सो देयर आई एम गोइंग टू सॉल्व द 10 क्वेश्चंस स्पेशली ऑफ स्पॉटिंग एरर्स. स्पॉटिंग एरर्स के 10 प्रश्न मैं इधर हल करने जा रहा हूँ एंड दे आर स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 21 और वो 21 से प्रारंभ हो रहे हैं टिल 30 तक. So the first one is given here. Let me fix that. The first one is given here. A city dweller, एक शहर में रहने वाला, finds it difficult, कठिन पाता है. Finds it difficult, इसको कठिन पाता है क्या? To pass away the time, समय को गुजारना. In a village, in a village, गांव में. Okay. So the pass away, actually the mistake is in second section. The second part is error because pass away means to die, मर जाना. To pass away means to die. To pass away means to die. Okay, pass away means die. Pass away means die. Pass away means to die, मर जाना. Okay, to die, मर जाना. To pass away means to die, मर जाना. Okay, the meaning of pass away is to die, मर जाना, या to become death, या हो जाना. क्या हो जाना? मृत हो जाना. So गुजर जाना. These all meaning can be of pass away. Pass away की ए अर्थ हो सकता है. So the use is incorrect. Pass the time must be here, not we should use away. Pass the time must be here. Pass the time, समय गुजारना या समय व्यतीत करना. In a village, गांव में. So it's really difficult for those people, those stay in cities, जो शहर में रहते हैं. For them it is very difficult. इनके लिए बहुत कठिन है to pass the time in village because there is not the modern amenities present in village. आधुनिक amenities सुविधाएं are not present in village. That's why they feel it's difficult. इसीलिए वे कठिन महसूस करते हैं. Next one is visitors, आगंतुक were not permitted, को आज्ञा नहीं दी गई थी. एंटरिंग द पार्क, पार्क में प्रवेश करने से. आफ्टर डार्क, अंधकार होने पर. अंधकार होने पर विजिटर को पार्क में प्रवेश करने से आज्ञा नहीं दी गई थी. वर नॉट परमिटेड टू इंटर, परमिटेड टू इंटर. व्हाई? बिकॉज इन्फिनिटी मस्ट बी यूज्ड after this verb. Permitted verb के बाद we must use infinitive. Infinitive to enter, to enter. Enter must be used. To enter must be used. Not Ziran must not be used here. So visitors were not permitted to enter the park after dark. अंधकार होने पर जो विजिटर, जो आगंतुक थे, वर नॉट परमिटेड, आज्ञा नहीं दी जाती थी, टू इंटर द पार्क, पार्क में प्रवेश करने से. आफ्टर डार्क, अंधकार होने पर. सो वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी नेक्स्ट. सो इन द फर्स्ट सेक्शन देयर वाज एरर एंड वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी नेक्स्ट वन. दिस इज गिवन हियर, दिस इज गिवन हियर, द नेक्स्ट वन इज गिवन हियर. I but before that let me fix the fifth and the final act. the fifth and the final act of Macbeth. The fifth, पांचवा, and the final or अंतिम. These two words are connected with each other. It means they are just talking about a single chapter. So the fifth and the final, it means just a single subject is actually the resultant. Resultant means परिणामी. जो सब्जेक्ट है वो सिंगुलर है. सो ऑफ मैकबेथ का कंटेन्स होना चाहिए, मस्ट बी कंटेन्स द स्लिप वॉकिंग सीन. स्लिप वॉकिंग सीन, इट मीन्स somnambulism. Sleep walking scene means somnambulism. It means नींद में चलना, नींद में चलने वाले एक्ट सीन है. इसमें फिफ्थ और फाइनल में कौन सी सीन है कंटेंस रखती है या होती है? कौन सीन? द स्लीप वॉकिंग सीन. सो कंटेंस मस्ट बी यूज्ड because the subject is singular, then the verb must be singular. If you use s in verb, then it will be singular. Its work opposite to the noun. ये noun के विपरीत कार्य करती है. If in a noun we add s or es, then it becomes what? Then it's become plural. But in case of verb, it becomes singular if we add s or es. So we are going to study next question. So the mistake was in the second section or second part. So we are going to study the next one. The next one is given here. Okay, the next one is given here, and we are going to study them. But before that, let me tell you what is actually we must study. This is going to be study. Okay, let me fix it, and I'm going to fix it. Okay, we are going to study the 24th, it means fourth one of this video. One of the terrorist मतलब आतंकवादी में से एक आतंकवादी ऑफ द कश्मीर वैली का इज सो डेड, मार दिया गया है. इज सो डेड, बट मार दिया गया था must be here. So must be was must be here. Because R is not you going to use. One की बात कर रहे हैं. Of the terrorist. One एक की बात कर रहे हैं. किसके? आतंकवादियों में से एक की बात कर रहे हैं. So the verb must be singular. Was must be used. You can also use is here. आप is भी प्रयोग कर सकते हैं. So one of the terrorists of the Kashmir Valley is shot dead. Okay. So if the news is of current, so you can say that is must be used. And if it is the news of past, then you can say that was must be used here. Okay. So we are going to study next one. The section third was incorrect because was or is must be carry are must be suitable to use as verb over here because we are talking about just a single subject. The single subject is given here, the singular, the subject is singular, then we must use what? Singular verb. Okay, next is 10 kilometers. 10 किलोमीटर is a long distance to walk. एक लंबी दूरी है चलने के लिए. 10 kilometers is a singular because it is going to be a definite distance. Definite means होता है निश्चित दूरी है ये, इसलिए इसको हम कहेंगे is का प्रयोग करेंगे ना कि r का. So 10 kilometers is a long distance to walk. 10 किलोमीटर एक लंबी दूरी है to walk चलने के लिए, टहलने के लिए. So in this way we have solved 5 questions, and I'm telling you there was no error in this section, no error. So fourth one is right here. So fourth one is right. चौथा सही है. 10 kilometers is a long distance to walk. 10 किलोमीटर की दूरी चलना एक लंबी दूरी है. We are going for the next one. So here we can solve the 25th, 26. Okay, we are going to solve 26. Okay, I saw him. मैंने उसे देखा. A couple of times. कई बार. कई बार. Of times. Since May. Since May. Since May मतलब मई से. So here is mistake. Very simple. Since May is a definite time, and always we use since May only in present perfect continuous tense or past perfect continuous tense. So here must be use have been or had been. Have been or had been to show the what, to show the sense में, सिंस में को दिखाने के लिए इसका प्रयोग करेंगे. हैव बीन और हैड बीन. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटीन्यूअस टेंस और पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटीन्यूअस टेंस must be used here. So since is indicating here what we will use. Okay, so I have been a couple of times. I have been a couple of times since May. मैं a couple of time कई बार रहा हूँ. since May it means what, मई से. So although we have not used here any verb in the continuous form, so it must not be till that it is going to be the continuous form, but we must use here have been, because we've this sa is incorrect. So since May is right, so according to since May we must use what, have been. Have been must be the right answer. Next is tea which I am drinking. टी वह चाय जिसको मैं पी रहा हूँ is hot, is hot, गर्म है. So I am telling you the tea, because tea is going to be definite, although this is material noun, but before this material noun, इस material noun के पहले हम द का प्रयोग करेंगे. क्यों? क्योंकि यह material noun definite है. वह चाय जिसको मैं पी रहा हूँ is hot, क्या है, गर्म है. So we are going to study next one, and before that let me, okay, 28. I'm going to solve the question number 28. It means eighth question. Although the police officer, यद्यप police officer, police अधिकारी sympathized, दया दिखाया, with poor, गरीब से, गरीब लोगों से. With the poor must be used. The must be used here, because if before adjective we use the article, then that work as a noun, and that shows the people, about the people. यह किसको दिखाता है, लोगों को दिखाता है. The people, the poor, the poor, with the people are with the poor, गरीब के साथ. He refused to take an action. उसने मना कर दिया to take an action. एक एक्शन क्रिया करना against the rich man, धनी व्यक्ति के खिलाफ. यद्यपि वह गरीब लोगों से की सहानुभूति रखता है, फिर भी इट मीन्स व्हाट, यद्यपि यहाँ है तो फिर भी यहाँ आंसर में आएगा. ही रिफ्यूज, उसने मना कर दिया टू टेक एन एक्शन अगेंस्ट द रिच मैन, धनी व्यक्ति के खिलाफ एक्शन लेने से उसने मना कर दिया. सो इन दिस वे वी कैन से दैट वेयर मस्ट बी द मिस्टेक. The mistake is in the first part. The article must be used to tell about poor, that is talking about the poor people. So we are going back, but before that let me scroll it and go back to get off these two to solve them. Okay, so I'm going to fix it. Okay, वी वर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड, हम आगे की ओर देख रहे थे। टू हियर, टू हियर, लुक फॉरवर्ड टू, लुक फॉरवर्ड टू एक फ्रेज है, एक फ्रेजल वर्ब है। लुक फॉरवर्ड टू एक फ्रेजल वर्ब है, और हर फ्रेजल वर्ब के बाद किसका प्रयोग करते हैं, जिरंद का। तो हियरिंग मस्ट बी यूज्ड हियर, hearing news must be used, because after every phrasal verbs we used what, He- gerund, that is accused of smuggling, accused of smuggling, वह accused of अभियुक्त बनाया गया किसका, स्मगलिंग का, गैर कानूनी तरीके से इधर उधर चीज ले जाने का। सो वी कैन से दैट लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड to must be used with gerund, hearing, hearing news, समाचार सुनने का। about the missing fisherman, missing मतलब खोए हुए या मिसिंग लुप्त, इसको विच फिशरमैन, फिशरमैन मछुआरे को। सो वी वर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू हियरिंग द न्यूज़, हम आगे देख रहे थे कि समाचार सुने किसके बारे में, अबाउट द मिसिंग फिशरमैन के बारे में। एंड नेक्स्ट द लास्ट वन इज गिवन हियर, द एक्ट्रेस वाज शॉक्ड by the news of her dog's death. The actress was shocked. The actress was shocked by the news of her dog's death. The actress means होता है what? We know that the actress means the women protagonist. The women protagonist. It means जो महिला मुख्य कलाकार होती है उसको एक्ट्रेस कहते हैं। सो द एक्ट्रेस वॉज शॉक्ड, अचंभित थी, बाय द न्यूज ऑफ हर डॉग्स डेथ, बाय द न्यूज ऑफ हर डॉग्स डेथ। सो इन दिस सेक्शन देयर मस्ट बी नॉट एनी shocked at, shocked at must be used, not by, shocked at. Let me find out the answer first. Okay, before that let me go back and see the answer of it. What is the answer actually? The answer is here. Here answer is at must be used here, at must be used here. We must use at here, at must be used because we shocked at hota hai, not shocked by. So shocked at must be used. Here must be used at. At must be used. So the mistake is in third part. So in this way we have solved 10 questions, and I have told you very easily them. I have tried my best to speak English language in front of you so that you can also impress with these activities and can get information how to talk in English in your future and with your brothers, teachers and teachers, so that you can also become global and you can achieve the target what you have made in your life, and you are going to become something big in your life just because of learning English language. And I am damn sure that you will not be away from getting a job in this whole world if you know English well. यदि आप इंग्लिश अच्छी तरह जानते हैं then you can easily get a job in this world. So इस संसार में आप सरलता से कोई काम प्राप्त कर लेंगे. So skill yourself, अपने आप को कुशल बनाइए to achieve something big, कुछ बड़ा प्राप्त करने के लिए. So with these words I am going to end my videos. Please like, share and subscribe my videos. Do comment. Thank you very much.